the whole day. Me and the Rolling Rock and Swed on side have enjoyed at Jhilli Bird Sanctuary. So this is the time to leave the place. Still the visitors have reached here. So popular place it is, and as the day is the 1st January 2022, such the visitors have come here, and there is all the availability of picnic. So we are exiting soon, and hopefully the remembrance of Jhilli Bird Sanctuary will remain both of us long time. Still, Swed is capturing the moment of the visitors. A lot of people have left, and again the new visitors have coming here, and the administrative people are here also to maintain the place. They are watching so that any nuisance wouldn't happen here. And Swed is capturing the surrounding places at the Jhilli Bird Sanctuary. The whole day will be hopefully enjoyable for all of us. Thank you.
কোথায় হাত ধুয়ে নাও হ্যাঁ